It's record. We're going live from Sam's apartment.
I feel like this could take several shots.
Well, it's gonna take one.
Right on the set.
Camera is rolling. Okay, go. Yes.
Guys, gang.
You guys need to stop talking.
Quiet on the set.
Right on the set.
You never said action, so we didn't know. Hold on, let me get my angry face on.
This is gonna be weird. Okay. It's gonna be
All right.
funny.
Yeah, you're gonna need like Kentucky son of a gun, 8 pair of aces. Let's go. And then you're gonna
Rolling? Rolling.
say action so that they know.
Action. That means go to the door. I thought the word was go.
Go.
It's just pretty much like a still shot.
Okie dokie. That will not do.
We really need 2 people filming this.
For reals, we do.
Alrighty.
Damn it, Travis.
Damn it.
We're gonna have 2 angles.
Go ahead and bet it all, just so we can go fast.
What do I do then?
Remember you duck and roll?
They're in the way.
I know.
Yeah, so then we'll
Gotcha.
cut and then we'll move.
Cut.
What do you want, you old man? It's cold and I want to die.
You filming?
Yeah, it's going. We haven't shut it off.
What? Because it's foggy out, and we wanted a foggy scene, but they're taking too long. Come on! Get back there!
Background.
Stuff.
And then we do one of those epic things where we're like, pushing it. Don't be wasting camera. And then we say an epic line or something. Well, it's only got 4 gigabytes. Of memory. 4 gigabytes.
You are weak.
Go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hey, is it rolling?
It's been rolling for like 20 minutes.
Like fly
Hey.
back in your chair.
Just keep going.
This has to work.
You cocky son of a gun. Calling your bluff.
Be purdy.
Do something epic.
Action.
Action!
Sure.
Not that kind of action.
Not that fast.
I'm out of here. Cut.
It was beautiful. The party is over.
No.
Okay.
Is that your cool van down there?
No, that's my mother's.
Cannons are good.
You want that angle?
Then it just. Okay, ready?
Close up.
Get ready?
Go in. I like the zoom function.
Action.
Oh crap.
Alright, we should.
Zoink!
You broke it already? Oh my gosh.
Don't worry about it.
What is that?
Blood.
No, seriously, what is it?
It's blood.
Fake blood.
Remember.
Oh, you'll live.
Get in the character, come on.
Bastards.
Action.
What are you doing up there? Get down there! You gonna jump? I don't want my house to be dirty. You want me to go jump and fire blood in your house? This is Phil.
Perfect.
That's all we need.
Now.
Hey, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like.
Stuart.
Alright, we'll clean.
Yeah.
Okay, we can do this without Sam, okay?
This movie sucks. You gonna kick me in the face sometime? Or?
Well, Adam Sandler?
This party is going.